Hi everyone, I'm Adeola Gboyega and welcome to Beauty School. Today I'm going to be showing you how to perfect your foundation look. It's so important to get that really beautiful base, and all great makeup looks start with great skin. If you have dry skin or normal to dry skin, and this one from Merit Beauty is amazing, it's called the Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. Super hydrating and will ensure that there's going to be no dryness or any areas of texture before you apply your foundation. Next up, if you have combination skin, maybe you've got a slight oily T-zone, this one from Bobbi Brown is one of my personal favorites. It's the vitamin rich face base and it's really good to hydrate the skin. And then finally, if you have combination to oily skin or very oily skin, this one from Hourglass is fantastic. I really like to focus on areas such as my T-zone, on the nose, the top lip. I always get a sweaty top lip, my chin, and also my forehead as well. I like to leave the other areas of my face to have that gorgeous glow. And then this one by Danessa Myricks Beauty is super innovative. All you need is a couple of drops, and then I always like to warm it up on your back of my hand and then press it into the skin. And this will really help to eliminate any excess shine, but also keep your skin nice and matte throughout the day. So the next step is to choose the right foundation for your skin type. This is so important because not all foundations are made the same. If you have dry skin, this one from Max Factor is amazing. This is their serum foundation. Another one of my personal favorites for dry skin, and if you like a glow, is this new one by Patrick Tar Beauty. This is a really beautiful luminous foundation to give you that gorgeous glow. For someone like myself that has combination to oily skin, these are two of my personal favorites. This new one, which is the Lumi Matte Foundation from Maybelline, is fantastic. It's that perfect balance of giving you that really beautiful glow but helping to control that shine. And then this new one from Bobbi Brown that has a really great technology to keep your skin nice and matte. It's so important to use the right tools. This will help your foundation to last longer, but also give you that really beautiful flawless finish. So I like to take a small amount of the foundation, and I'm going to start by using the foundation on the center of my face and then very lightly blending that into my skin. And you can just see you get this really beautiful perfected look. And that's how it's looking. One of my most frequently asked questions is, how do I find the perfect match of foundation? You want to first of all make sure that you're shade matching in natural lighting. You also want to make sure that you're swatching your foundation, which means testing your foundation. Your jawline's a really great place to start, along here. You also want to make sure that you're swatching your foundation on your cheek area. Sometimes there's differences in the color, so you want to make sure that whatever your foundation matches here, it also matches the side of your jawline as well. The forehead is also a very important part. A lot of people forget that. You tend to hold a lot of color in your forehead because it's the highest point of your face and it comes into direct contact with the sun. So make sure that your foundation matches that area too, or else it will look too ashy. So now onto setting your foundation. This is very important because this will help to lock everything in place, but also to mop up any excess shine that you might have on your skin. First of all, I like to use a loose powder. Now these are really good because they're very finely milled, they're very lightweight, and they're really good to help lock in your makeup, but also to keep that shine at bay. Now this is very important because what you don't want to do is overload your skin with too much makeup. That's some of the concerns that I find that a lot of people have when it comes to powder. They're a bit too scared about it, or they find that it makes their skin look cakey. But actually using a smaller brush so you can pinpoint your application, and using a very finely milled powder will really help to combat that sort of feeling that you might get with your powder application. Now if you're someone that loves to take their powder along with them, maybe you want to use one for touch-ups, then I'd highly recommend using a compact powder, also known as a finishing powder. And then last but not least, a finishing spray. Now it sets your makeup, gives you this gorgeous glow. I love the mist because it's super lightweight, and it also has some great skincare benefits in there as well. But if you are maybe traveling to a hot destination and you really want to lock your makeup in, or you're going out and you want your makeup to stand the test of time, then this one by One Size is a fantastic one. So there you have it. Those are my top tips to help you achieve that perfected foundation look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next installment of the Beauty School.